Today I am at the Loft Studios where I'm producing a celebration dinner and dance style. Now it is happening upstairs in Studio 4. You might have seen our video that we did here before where we produced an event in Studio 5. This very one over here, we'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out on our YouTube channel. Anyway, back to today. We are upstairs, Studio 4. We're doing all the event design and production. As always, there's a lot to do. Let's get on with it. The Loft Studios are a series of state-of-the-art studios based here in London. They provide unique spaces and bespoke production for shoots and events. The room is all ready. Let me take you through what we have done. We have uplit the entire space as well as added disco lighting for the dance floor area and put in casual furniture. A sound and PA system has been installed along with our plasma screened DJ booth, and that is all being managed by our audio and lighting technicians. All of our tables have been set up. Our adults are sitting on 6-foot rounds and our younger guests on one long table. For our games, we have upright arcade machines, the light catcher, which is a personal favorite of mine, and air hockey. We have also installed a rustic bar unit and back bar. Entertainment, we have DJ Christian on the decks, along with MC Cesa, who will be hosting. And no party is complete without our freestyle dancers. All our guests are turning up, so all there is left to do now is celebrate.